Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of Bank Nifty moving for the current year yesterday, while how the price of Bank Nifty and Nifty can go on Monday. See, as we can see the chart that the price of the Bank Nifty, see at this, look at this level in this particular range. Once this range is broken at around 31,676, okay, 31,676, this made a sharp fall with a low of 29,661. Okay, this is a big resistance point, big support point. Okay, support point is 29,670 around. After that it was in continuous uptrend. Okay, this is where the budget before budget day, while this is once the budget day has come, it is continuously rising because the budget was in the favor of the market. Okay, so now after that, because it was continuously a downtrend and then it was continuously in the upside, which made around 5 days Bank Nifty was around 6,500 plus. This happened, it didn't happen years. It's very rare. So now what we are looking at this, see, as we can see that from 4th Feb to 15th of Feb, the market is moving in this particular range. It's a sideways market. So what I'm suggesting you is that if the range is moved up this way, then we can expect there can be uptrend, or if it moves downside, then we can expect that can be a downfall of around 1,000 points or something. Okay, so what we are expecting on Monday for Bank Nifty, see, suppose if the price of Bank Nifty opens above 36,230, okay, or if it opens above 36,200, then we can expect that the price of can touch 450. There are chances that if the Bank Nifty is opens above 36,200, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 36,300. Then we can expect it can touch a level of 36,410, and then it can touch a level 36,450. This is the range. Once this range is broken, and then we can expect it can touch a level of 36,500, 530, and if it crosses this level, then it can make a all-time high of 630. Okay, and it goes above this. So these are the some support points I've told you, that if the price of Bank Nifty opens above this level, okay, then it can touch a level of 36,300, 410 and 450. Once this range is broken, then we can expect it can touch a level of 36,530, and then it can break a all-time high and it can make a new all-time high. So let's wait for the first 15-minute candle where the market opens, okay, and then we'll decide where the market is moving. Okay, so this was the chart I was about to show you. See, I was showing you, see that the market is moving the particular range itself. Okay, once this range is broken, then we can expect that it can go a high, different high. Okay, now I'll talk to you about Nifty. See, if you look at the Nifty, what it did, it went up. Okay, it was upside, and from there it was continuously down. It is before the budget day. So now what we are expecting and what we have seen in the Nifty chart, see, what if you look at a broader view, the Nifty is full in uptrend, and I have already suggested you that if something has to go up, it will halt for some time or it will come up and then it will move up. See, suppose if it is moving this way, it will halt for some time in the particular range and then it will move up. In the same way, if it makes a W pattern, then it will move up, or it can make a V pattern. So now what happened in this case? See, halted for some time here and then moved down significantly. See, 21st Jan to 20 till 28th Jan, the market was continuously down. And on after the budget day, the price was moving so rapidly. See, at this was continuously in the rise. And now what is happening after the budget day? Okay, the budget day was happened and it's favor in the market. Okay, if you have any doubt, please you can mail me at stock market trading live or bank nifty strategy at gmail.com. I'm giving in the description my mail ID as well as my Twitter handle and my Telegram channel. If you would like to join for Nifty and Bank Nifty strategies, you can join on my Twitter handle, Telegram channel. Okay, see now what we can see from 8th of Feb, the Nifty is moving up in a particular range. Okay, so once this range is broken, then we can expect that there can be a rally upside or there can be rally downside. So what I'm expecting that it, see, suppose, see at this particular range, the I'll tell you the range also. It's 14,970 to 15,260. This is the range where 15,260 to 14,970. This is the particular range where market is moving. Okay, so what we have to do it on Monday. Once the range is broken upside, suppose if the market opens above this level 15,200, then we can expect that Bank Nifty can Nifty can touch a level of 15,250. It can touch a level of 15,300 upside. Okay, and can make all-time high. Okay, and if it opens below 15,080, then we can expect it can touch a level of 15,000, or which is a very strong support. Once this level is broke, then we can expect it can touch a level of 14,050, 950 or 14,900. This is the level it can touch, or it can go below that level around 850. So what you have to understand in this level, that once let's wait for the first 15-minute candle. Okay, and then we'll decide where the price of the Nifty and Bank Nifty is going. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.